Tennis. Tennis is a popular sport played between two individuals or two teams of two players each. The players use a racket to hit a ball over a net, aiming to make it land within the boundaries of the opponent's court. The objective of the game is to score points by making the opponent fail to return the ball properly. Apart from being a sport, tennis can also refer to the specific type of ball used in the game. The tennis ball is a small, yellow, rubber ball with a felt covering. Here are a few examples of how tennis can be used in different contexts. 1. I love playing tennis with my friends. In this sentence, tennis refers to the sport itself, indicating that the speaker enjoys participating in the game. 2. The tennis match between Nadal and Federer was intense. Here, tennis refers to a specific match or competition between two professional players. 3. Could you please pass me the tennis ball? In this example, tennis is used to describe the type of ball the speaker wants, indicating that they need the ball used in the sport of tennis. 4. I'm going to watch the Wimbledon tennis tournament on TV. Here, tennis is used to describe the type of tournament, specifying that it is a tennis competition. Overall, the term tennis can refer to the sport itself, a specific match or tournament, or the ball used in the game.